Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revati Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. A student, today I shall discuss with you inverse variation and I shall solve exercise 9b. In inverse variation, one quantity increase, then other quantity is decreased, or one quantity is decreased, then other quantity is increased. This is known as inverse variation. In inverse variation, the product of quantities are constant. X into y equal to k. That implies x1 into y1 equal to x2 into y2. So, in exercise 9b, one question number 1, if 48 men can dig a trench in 14 days, 48 men can dig a trench in 14 days, how long will 28 men take to dig a similar trench? In first column, write number of men. Number of men. And second column, number of days. Number of days. So number of men 48 men, taken time 14 days. Number of men 28 men, taken time, how long will let required time be x. By inverse variation. By inverse variation, that means by IV. By IV inverse variation. 28 into x, 28 into x equal to 48 into 14. That implies x equal to 48 into 14. Y 28. 7 to the 14. And 7 4 the 28. 14 to the 28 and 24. 24 to the 48 equal to 24 days. Answer. Understand and write it. Next question. Question number 3. 45 cows. 45 cows can graze a field in 13 days. 45 cows can graze a field in 13 days. How many cows will graze the same field in 9 days? Write in first column number of cows. Number of cows. And second column number of days. Number of days. Number of cows 45 cows and number of days is 13 days. Number of days 9. Find the number of cows. Let the number of cows be x. It is in inverse variation. So by IV by inverse variation. X into 9. X into 9 equal to 45 into 13. That implies X equal to 45y into 13 divided by 9. 9 5 ja 45 and 13 5 ja 65 cows. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 7 of exercise 9b. A bus covers a certain distance in 3 hours 20 minutes. 3 hours 20 minutes at an average speed of 45 km per hour. How long will it take to cover the same distance at a speed of 36 km per hour? Here time in 3 hours and 20 minutes. It's changed into minutes. So 3 hours 20 minutes equal to 3 into 60 plus 20. 3 into 60 180 minutes plus 20 equal to 200 minutes. 200 minutes. Now write in first column time. Time, unit of time is minute. Time in minute. And second column, a speed. A speed in kilometer per hour. So time in minute 200 minutes. 200 minutes. And a speed 45 km per hour. Now how long will it take to cover? Let the required time be x. Average distance, average speed 36 km per hour. By inverse variation. By inverse variation. X into 36 equal to 200 into 45. That implies X equal to 200 into 45 by 36. 9 4 ja 36 and 9 5 ja 45 and 54 ja 200 equal to 50 into 5 250 minute. 250 minute means this divide 60 change into hour. 250 4 times 240 10 minutes and 4 hours equal to 4 hours 4 hours and 10 minutes. Answer. Understand and write it. Students, next important question. Question number 11. A group of 120 men A group of 120 men had provisions for 200 days. A group of 120 men had provisions for 200 days. After 5 days, 30 men died due to an epidemic, such as corona epidemic. How long will the remaining food last? Students, here taken after 5 days. After 5 days. After 5 days, 30 men died. So men equal to 120 minus 30 equal to 90. And days, total 200 days. After 5 days minus 5 equal to 195. 195 days. Right? Number of days. Number of days. And second column, number of men. Number of days. So number of days 195. 195 days. Food for 120 men. Now number of men is 90. How long food lasts? Let the required days be x by inverse variation. By inverse variation, x into 90 equal to 195 into 120. That implies x equal to 195 into 120 by 90. 0 to 0 cancel. 3 3 ja 9 and 3 4 ja 12. 1 plus 9 10 plus 5 15. Divide 3 times. 3 6 ja 18 and 3 5 ja 3 5 ja. Multiply 64 into 65 into 4. So 5 4 ja 20 of 0. Carry 2. 6 4 ja 24 plus 2 26. 260 days. Answer. Understand and write it. Next and last question. Question number 12. 1,200 soldiers. 1,200 soldiers in a fort had enough food for 28 days. After 4 days, some soldiers were transferred in another fort, and thus the food lasted for an extra 32 days. How many soldiers left the fort? So heading after 4 days. After 4 days. In first column, number of soldiers. Number of soldiers. And second column, number of days. Number of soldiers and number of days. Number of soldiers 1200. After 4 days. Number of days 24. Some soldiers transferred to another fort and thus food lasted for an extra 32 days. So how many soldiers left the fort? Let the required number of soldiers be X. It is in inverse variation, so by inverse variation, IB X into 32 equal to 1200 into 24. That implies X equal to 1200 into 24 by 32. 8 times. 8 3 जा 24 and 8 4 जा and 4 3 जा 12. 300 equal to 3 3 जा 900 soldiers. 900. Therefore, the required number of soldiers, total soldiers 1200 minus 900 equal to 300. Answer. Today homework, solve exercise 9B. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 9B. Thank you. That's all.